Dear children, now let us deal with worksheet 1. Read the passage comprehension and answer the exercise that follows. You have to read this given comprehension passage. Afterwards, you have to write the answers of the questions given below this passage. ఈ కింద ఉన్న ప్యాసేజ్ని చదివి అర్థం చేసుకుని ఆన్సర్స్ రాయాలి. నౌ come to the questions. Read the text and say the sentence are true or false. You have to read the above text and you have to answer the statements whether they are true or false. First one, Prakash lives in a big city. It is given. He lives in a big city. That is why I have to write true. It is true. Second one, he goes to school every day. It is false. All the children are at home at the moment because they are tired. It is false. Every morning Prakash stays in bed. No, it is not correct. So we have to write false. His lessons last 2 hours. It is right. Here it is given 2 hours only in the passage. That is why you have to write true. Sixth one, his teachers use interactive worksheets. Yes, it is also given in our passage. That is why it is true. Write true. Now come to the second part. Write in order. Some phrases or words are given but they are not arranged in the proper order. In order to make a meaningful sentence, you have to put the given phrases or words in a proper order. There is garden, but it is not a sentence because it doesn't give any proper meaning. That's why you have to rearrange the given words to make a meaningful sentence. The answer is there is a garden. As it is an assertive or declarative sentence, you have to write full stop at the end of the sentence. Don't forget it. You have to make it a habit. Punctuation marks also very, very important. That's why you have to write full stop after garden. There is a garden. Second one, televisions. True, there are. The correct one is there are 2 televisions. There are 2 televisions. After the sentence, you have to write full stop as it is a declarative sentence. The third one, there is ball. Now the correct sentence is there is a ball. As it is a declarative sentence, you have to write full stop at the end of this sentence. Next, the fourth one, cats. 2 there are. The correct one is there are 2 cats. As it is also an assertive sentence, you have to write full stop at the end of this sentence. And moreover, every sentence in English starts with a capital letter. Don't forget it. It is very, very important. If you forget this thing, you will lose some marks in English. You must make it a habit to write capital letters in the beginning of every sentence. Come to the third one, write into negative using not and no. Here some sentences are given. You have to write the negative sentences of the given sentences. First one, my mother is doctor. The negative one is my mother is not a doctor. Write full stop. Second one, there are pens in my box. There are no pens in my box. Here you have to write no, not. You should not write not here. You have to write no only. There are no pens in my box. The third one, Gopi can climb a coconut tree. The answer is Gopi cannot climb a coconut tree. Here write not no. No రాయొద్దు, not రాయాలి. There is water in the can. The negative sentence is there is no water in the can. There is no water in the can. Children, now let us deal with the fourth one. Complete the words with vowels clusters IE, EA, OU, OA, UI, UA, IO. I think you can answer these ones on your own. Sontanga try cheyandi. If you don't know, compare your answers with the answers given by me, then it is useful. Don't simply copy the answers. Try to answer these questions on your own. Now come to the fifth one. Make as meaningful words as possible from the given box. Here some word is given exasperatedly. From the letters given in this word, you have to make some meaningful words, as many words as you can. For example, some example words are given: RAT, rate, AT8. In the same way, I wrote some words. You also can write some words on your own using the letters given in this word exasperatedly. I request you to try it on your own. Now come to the sixth one. Let me introduce myself. Here introducing oneself is given. It is very, very important. First one. Hi, my name is. You have to write your name here. Next one. I am dash years old. If you are 10 years old, you have to write 10 years. If you are 12 years old, you have to write 12 here. If you are 13 or 14, like that, you have to write the number here. 13, 12, 11, like that. The third one, my birthday is on. You have to write the date of birth here. Fourth one, I am from country. You have to write the name of our country, India. I am from India. After India, you have to write the full stop. I live in dash city. You have to write the name of your village. Sixth one, there are dash people in my family. You have to write the number of family members. Number of the members of your family. If there are 4 members in your family, you have to write 4. If there are 5 members in your family, you have to write 5. If it is 6, you have to write 6, like that. You have to write the names of your family members. You have to write the names of the members of your family. You have to write all the names of the members of your family here. Your father's name, mother's name, brother's name, sister's name, and your name, like that. My mother is A. Aryan. My father, say eighth one. My father is A. Aryan. Here you have to write the occupation of your father. My father is an agricultural laborer. My father is a farmer. My father is a teacher. My father is a businessman, like that. Whatever it may be, you have to write it here. Now come to the ninth one. My mother is A. Aryan dash. Here also you have to write the occupation of your mother. An agricultural laborer, or a teacher, or a housewife, like that. You have to answer this one. Next one, 10th one, I am a student at. You have to write the name of your school here. 11th one, my favorite subject. Correct it as subject. My favorite subject is. You have to write the name of your favorite subject. Mathematics, English, science, like that. 12th one, my favorite sport is. You have to write the name of the sport here. 13th one, I want to become a. You have to write your ambition. If it is a teacher, you have to write a teacher, an engineer, an engineer, or a doctor, like that. You have to write the occupation you want to become, the profession you want to become. 14th one, my hobby is. You have to write your hobby, name of your hobby, like dancing, singing, collecting stamps, reading books, like that. You have to write your hobby here. Now come to the 15th one, my favorite food, not food, food. My favorite food is. You have to write the name of the food here. 16th one, my favorite drink is. You have to write the name of your favorite drink here. 17th one, my favorite day of the week is. Here there are, as you know, there are 7 days in a week. You have to write the name of your favorite day. Next one, 18th one, I like dash movies. You have to write the write the name of the movies you like most. You have to write the name of the movies like romantic or comedy movies, like that. You have to write the answer. 19th one, my favorite month is. As you know, there are 12 months in a year. You have to write which month is most favorite for you. You have to write the name of the favorite month. You have to write the name of the month which you like most. The 20th one, the most beautiful place in my city or village. In village, there are so many places in your village or city. You have to write the most beautiful place. It may be a temple or a river or a pool, like that. 17th one, complete the sentences with there is and there are. If the sentence is singular, you have to write there is. If the sentence is plural, you have to write there are. Here a lamp is given. A lamp means it is in singular, that is why you have to write there is. Second one, 3 windows. 3 windows are plural, that is why you have to write there are. Third one, a bed. A bed means only singular, that is why you have to write there is. Pillows. Pillow is singular, pillows is plural, that is why you have to write there are. 4 tables. It is plural, that is why you have to write there are. 6th one, a newspaper. It is singular, that is why you have to write there is. 6 books, plural, so you have to write there are. 8th one, 2 sofas. 2 sofas means it is in the plural form. You have to write there are. 9th one, a flower. A flower means it is in singular, you have to write there is. 10th one, 3 clocks. 3 clocks. Here 3 clocks means it is in the plural form, that is why you have to write there are. In this way, you have to answer this paper, worksheet 1. Children, I request you to try to answer this paper or worksheet on your own. Whenever you have a doubt, you have to listen to this video and correct your mistakes if any. Okay, thank you. Dear viewers, please watch, like, share and subscribe our English channel so that I can make more videos on spoken English also. Thank you one and all.